Hello and welcome to Beyond Borders Briefing, where we bring you the latest news and analysis from around the world. Today we're going to talk about China's housing crisis, which has deepened as shares of the troubled property giant Evergrande have slumped amid fears of a default. Evergrande is one of the world's most indebted companies, with a debt pile of more than $300 billion. It has been struggling to pay its suppliers, contractors, investors, and creditors, and has warned that it may not be able to meet its obligations. The company's troubles have sent shockwaves through China's property market, which accounts for about a quarter of the country's GDP and affects millions of households. Evergrande's shares have fallen by more than 25% this week, after it revealed that its mainland unit Hengda Real Estate has defaulted on 4 billion yuan, $547 million, of debt. Several current and former Evergrande executives have also been detained by authorities, according to a report by Beijing-based news outlet Caixin. Evergrande also faces a court hearing in Hong Kong on a winding-up petition that could potentially force it into liquidation. The crisis at Evergrande has raised concerns about the stability of China's financial system and the potential spillover effects on the global economy. Some analysts have warned that Evergrande could be China's Lehman Brothers moment, referring to the collapse of the U.S. investment bank in 2008 that triggered a global financial crisis. Others have argued that the Chinese government will intervene to prevent a disorderly default and contain the contagion. The Chinese authorities have so far adopted a cautious approach, urging Evergrande to resolve its debt problems and protect the interests of homebuyers and investors. They have also tightened regulations on the property sector, aiming to curb excessive borrowing and speculation. However, these measures have also contributed to a slowdown in the housing market, which has seen investment, sales and construction activity decline in recent months. The outlook for China's property sector remains uncertain, as Evergrande and other developers face mounting pressure to repay their debts amid weakening demand and tighter credit conditions. Some experts have predicted that the sector could remain a drag on China's economic growth for years to come. Others have suggested that the crisis could be an opportunity for structural reforms and a shift to a more sustainable and balanced development model. That's all for today's episode of Beyond Borders Briefing. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more news and analysis from around the world. See you next time.